Hi everyone, this is Bernard Bertrand, photographer, director, LUMIX Ambassador. Today on this GH6 tips and tricks, I'm going to talk about a still image topic. And more specifically, the high resolution mode setting. The LUMIX GH6 is obviously a 25 megapixel capable sensor. But when using the high resolution mode, you'll be able to go up to 100 megapixel. And pretty impressive, you'll be able to do it handheld. Of course, you'll have to do your best to remain as still as possible, obviously. But we all know that Panasonic LUMIX image stabilization is pretty impressive. And it is exactly the same technology that will help us there. Let me show you how you can set your GH6 in order to capture those gigantic still images. As I wanted to test it myself, I decided to climb all the way up to the mountain to shoot those ice and snow structures that I absolutely love. So about the camera settings. Of course, in the menu, you will find your picture quality menu. This is where you will choose your RAW format or different JPEG compression. I will go there for RAW plus fine. Right under, you'll find the regular picture size. The largest will be 25 megapixel as I said. Then right under, you will find high resolution mode, and the first line will allow you to select handheld high res. Then you will find a specific picture quality menu. The combined option will stick with the main picture quality menu setting. In my case, I will also go for RAW plus fine. The next menu allows you to choose the final size. There you can choose 50 megapixel or the huge 100 megapixel. I will also go for the 100 megapixel there. Then you will find the shutter delay, and you will have to choose from different time frames, depending on the way you want to shoot those still images. I went for the 2-second delay, and every time I trigger the camera handheld, it gives me that little 2 seconds to hold my breath and remain as still as possible. Now you will have to go on top of the camera on the left button and move 3 times to select high resolution mode on the camera. Then you will hear the camera shooting 8 images, obviously, taking advantage of the body image stabilization system that will shift the sensor a tiny bit for every of the 8 still images. So of course, you will use that mode for still live images or landscapes. The camera will then process the 100 megapixel image right away, and boom, you got there your 100 megapixel image. I was curious about the idea of shooting those images handheld, and I was aware about the 7.5 stop stabilization. And there you will see it at work, and the result is quite impressive indeed. So that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe, as I will come really soon with other GH6 content. Thank you very much, and see you next time.